bird. All birds have feathers and all birds have beak, but all birds are different too. It is a bird. Its beak is long and striped, and its feathers are black and white. It is emperor penguin. This is a bird. Its beak is long and huggy, and its feathers are white. It is a pelican. This is a bird. Its beak is striped and huggy, and its feathers are black. It is a turkey vulture. This is a bird. Its beak is short and striped, and its feathers are white. It is a chicken. This is a bird. Its beak is long and fine, and its feathers are round. It is a mallard duck. This is a bird. Its beak is long and curved, and its feathers are round. It is a thrasher. This is a bird. Its beak is short and striped, and its feathers are red. It is a cardinal. This is a bird. Its beak is long and thin, and its feathers are purple, green, and gray. This is a costa hummingbird. In some way, all birds are the same. All birds have beak, and all birds have feathers, but all birds are different too. Bye bye everyone.